What's up, Pyros? It's Blue 92T with a 2020 stash video. I didn't get a whole lot this year, but I did get some good stuff. Start off here with some candles. Got an 8-shot, some 5 shots, got some rockets, some crackers there. Got a little assortment here. Down here we got what's left over of the case of the Red Apple Ancient Cosmic Barrage. Bought a case of the Solar Rain. I think this one's new for this year. Last year the Solar Rain was 30 shots, if I believe. Got a Guerrilla Warfare Dragon King. Got a case of Nightbreaker 9-shot. Case of Holy Moly. Got the Perfect Storm, Buzzard's Roost. I got 1 case of shells this year. Over here we got the fountains. Gotta get some, every Pyros needs some good fountains in their stash. And yeah, that's about it for this year. Also got some of these rockets. Got some random stuff. Some Arctic Thunder in there. And a few other little 200 grammers. But that's it for this year, guys. Hope everyone has a good 4th.